Hello, I'm Victoria Carr. I'm a conservation scientist at the RSPB Centre for Conservation Science. Here I am imagining I'm in one of my favourite local green spaces with a beautiful view over Nottingham. I'm a chartered psychologist in the people science team and my research focuses on nature connection and pro-nature behaviour. So nature connection is a potential win-win for people and the planet because it's related both to health and well-being and to pro-environmental behaviour. But there are many questions still to answer about nature connection. For example, how do we best develop people's nature connection? And how and when does this then translate into the benefits for people and nature that we want to see? My current research looks at how nature activities and experiences increase nature connection and nature-related behaviour in adults. And what is it about these experiences that makes them effective at doing this? With my colleague Jolene Hughes, I developed the Evaluating Nature Activities for Connection tool, or ENACT for short. This is a short survey tool assessing aspects of nature activities that predict nature connection and nature-related behaviour. Although ENACT was originally designed for high nature settings like nature reserves, I'm currently developing a version more suitable for urban and community settings, which is where most people experience nature. So my work links well to the first QUENCH theme about understanding what characteristics of nature experiences are important for nature connection and for the outcomes that we want. As a psychologist, I focus mostly on people's perceptions of their environments, how they interact with them, what they get out of them, their attitudes, emotions and behaviours, and importantly, how we can measure and evaluate these effectively. I'm also interested in the theme around wider environmental outcomes. I'm keen to look at pro-nature behaviour outcomes as well as health and well-being, and I'd like to explore to what extent these different types of outcomes might be driven by different aspects of nature connection. So do we need to do different things in order to produce these different outcomes that we want? I look forward to joining the QUENCH network and to working with you all in this exciting and important area of research.